Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by checking places where you commonly store logins. Open your browser's saved passwords and your system keychain. These often contain entries labeled GitHub. Once done, check any third-party password manager you use and search for your GitHub username. Make sure to view details only on a trusted device and authenticate if required. If you find a matching entry, confirm the stored password by revealing it. Otherwise, you'll move on to account recovery steps next. Next, inspect your developer credentials and tokens because you may have used SSH keys or a token instead of a password. Look in your /SSH directory for private keys and check your Git config for associated user info. Also search credential helpers on your machine and any saved personal access, tokens in secure notes or password managers. These alternate credentials explain why a password seems missing. If you find a token or SSH key, if you cannot locate any stored password, proceed with account recovery to reset your password. Start the reset on the GitHub sign and flow, choose the email you control, and follow the verification steps. Make sure you can access that email inbox. Once reset, update your password manager and any local credential helpers. If you experience problems, no email received or account locked, check spam, try other possible emails you used, and prepare information to contact support for identity verification as the troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.